Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Sony with your PC. You have to start by press at the Windows button and right here write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and then click Add Device. Bluetooth. Now press power button one time on your speaker. And after that, press and hold power button for at least 3 seconds to enter prank mode. Now we should see it at the device list and just click on it. And then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!